In this video, we are going to be learning how to host hidden service on the dark web. This video will be a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to run your service on the Tor network, which means your service will not be accessible over the clear net. Anyone using a search engine like Google cannot access your service, so this is a great way to stay anonymous while hosting your service. We are first going to be learning how to send a secret file on the dark web. Then we're going to be learning how to chat anonymously on the dark web, and finally we're going to be learning how to host a website on the dark web. So do not skip any part of the video. Watch until the complete end and you will have your server on the dark web. Now before we start the video, I just want to preface, this video is purely for educational purpose. Do not host illegal content on the dark web. With that being said, let's get started. I'm in my Windows laptop right now. I will first open a browser of my choosing and go to the website onionshare.org and press enter. And when you're on this website, scroll down until you see the Windows download button. Click on it and Onionshare will be downloaded. Open the folder where the file got downloaded. I can see Onionshare got downloaded into the downloads folder. So click on the file 2 times and the installation process will start. Click on I accept the terms and click on install. And the installation has been finished. Click on finish. After the installation has finished, in your search bar, search for Onionshare. As you can see, this is the icon of Onionshare. Click on it to start it, and I can now see Onionshare has started. Toggle this part to auto connect to Tor and click on connect to Tor. And after Onionshare has connected to Tor, you have 4 options. Let's first see how to share files on the dark web. So in order to share a file, click on start sharing and drag and drop the file that you want to share. I want to share the file called secretfile.txt. For better security, I will checkmark this box, which will stop sharing the files after they have been sent and downloaded. I will also keep this box unchecked so that a private key is generated, and without a private key, no one can access this file. And click on start sharing, and the sharing has started. My secretfile.txt is now hosted on the dark web. A onion URL is generated, and since I kept that box unchecked, a private key is generated. Now to access the secret file, we have to send the onion URL and the private key to the one who wants to access our file, and they cannot access the file over the clear net. They have to be connected to the Tor network, and you can connect to the Tor network with a browser like a Tor browser and paste the onion URL and press enter, and it will ask for the private key. And after providing the private key, click on done, and as you can see, secretfile.txt is hosted on the dark web. You can download the files if you want. And anyone in any part of the world with Tor browser can access your secret file with the onion URL and the private key. Now let's learn how to chat anonymously on the dark web. In order to chat anonymously, after opening Onionshare, click on start chatting. I will keep everything as default and click on start chat server. I can now see the chat server has started. It has generated an onion URL and similarly a private key. So in your Tor browser, paste the onion URL and press enter. And when asked for a private key, paste the private key and click on done. And I can see I'm connected to the chat server. A random username has been generated for me. And I can type my message here. But since we are alone in the chat server, we don't have anyone to chat to. That's why no one can reply. Copy the onion URL and the private key and send it to the person that you want to chat to. And after they have logged into the chat server, you both can start chatting. Now let's see how to host a website on the dark web. I have created a folder called website, and inside this website, I have a simple index.html code and a picture of a cat. In order to host this website on the dark web, I will first click on host a website and drag and drop the folder. This time, I will checkmark this box, which means no private key will be required. Anyone with the onion URL can access the website, and click on start sharing, and I can see the website is now hosted. I will copy the onion URL and paste it in my Tor browser. And I can see my website is hosted on the dark web with the onion URL. Anyone with this onion URL on the dark web can connect to my website. So that is for the end of the video. If you like this video and want to watch more content related to dark web or ethical hacking, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.